Ever sat there and wondered why we experience different seasons? Well, it's not a cosmic game of chance, but a predictable pattern, brought about by the Earth's tilt and its journey around the sun. Imagine Earth as a spinning top leaning slightly to one side as it dances around our solar companion. This tilt, coupled with our annual trip around the sun, gives us the beautiful variation of seasons we experience. So it's all about the tilt and the travel, but let's break it down, shall we? Well, Earth, unlike a top spinning perfectly upright, has a bit of a lean. Now let's break that down. Picture our planet not as a straight up and down marble, but rather as a slightly tilted spinning top. This tilt is not a minor detail, but a critical component of our planet's character with a precise angle of about 23.5 degrees relative to its orbit around the sun. Now, this tilt doesn't wobble or change as Earth makes its annual journey around the sun. It stays constant, steadfast, unchanging. And this consistency has significant implications for the amount of sunlight different parts of Earth receive at various times of the year. At certain times, the North Pole tilts towards the sun, bathing the Northern Hemisphere in more sunlight. At other times, it's the South Pole's turn for a sun-soaked tilt. This varying exposure to sunlight is what drives our seasons. So it's not about how close we are to the sun, but how much sunlight each part of Earth gets. Now let's talk about the big bright star in our story, the sun. The sun plays a crucial role in creating the seasons we experience here on Earth. It's all about how the sun's rays hit our planet. Imagine a flashlight shining on a surface. When it shines directly, the light is concentrated in a small area, right? That's like summer, when the sun's rays hit the Earth directly, causing the concentrated heat that makes us reach for our shorts and flip-flops. On the flip side, consider that same flashlight, but this time angled. The light spreads over a larger area, but it's less intense. That's what happens in winter. The sun's rays hit the Earth at a lower angle, spreading the heat over a larger area, resulting in cooler temperatures. So, we bundle up in cozy sweaters and warm boots. So the angle of sunlight plays a key role in our seasonal wardrobe changes. Now that we've got the tilt and the sun's rolled down, what about the cycle of seasons? Well, this is where Earth's orbit around the sun steps into the limelight. Picture this. Our planet is like a spinning top, leaning slightly to one side. As it journeys around the sun, this tilt doesn't waver. During part of the year, the North Pole leans towards the sun. This is when the Northern Hemisphere enjoys long, warm days of summer. Meanwhile, the Southern Hemisphere, tilting away from the sun, experiences the cold and short days of winter. Now, as Earth continues its orbit, the tilt shifts. The North Pole begins to lean away from the sun, and the roles are reversed. It's now winter in the Northern Hemisphere and summer in the Southern Hemisphere. And that, folks, is the science behind the changing seasons. So next time you're enjoying a summer's day or bundled up in winter, remember, it's all thanks to our planet's tilt and journey around the sun. Before we wrap up, folks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Your support is the fuel that helps us create more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your mind open to learning.